This is lesson 10.2.4, problem 10.62. And in this problem, for part A, it says, or for the problem in general, it says, how can you tell how many solutions an equation in standard form, so ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, has? And so for part A, we need to solve the quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1/2 equal to 0. And then we have to write our solution in exact form and approximate decimal form. So when I look at this equation, I see a 1/2 in there, and I don't want to deal with trying to factor that or complete the square. So since there's a fraction in there, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So my A term is 2, right? The number in front of my x squared. The B term is the number in front of my x, so -3. Excuse me. And then the C term is the number of ones I have. And then if you remember the quadratic formula, x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I'm just going to go through and replace the a, b's, and c's with what they're equal to. So opposite of b, and b is -3, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so -3 squared minus 4 times a times c. Okay, so now divided by 2 times a. So we get that x equals, the opposite of -3 is 3, plus or minus the square root, -3 squared. -3 times -3 gives me 9. And then I have -4 times 2 times 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 is just 1. So 1 times -4 gives me -4. And then we're going to divide all of that by 4. So if I keep solving, I get that. I have 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 4. Okay? And at this point, I cannot, I don't know the square root of 5. It's not a perfect square. So this would be my exact answer. Okay? And I have 2 solutions in this case, right? Because I have 3 plus the square root of 5 divided by 4, and 3 minus the square root of 5 divided by 4. So here it's 2 solutions. And notice that it's because I have this positive number under the square root. That's how I know I'm getting 2 solutions, okay? Because I have plus the square root of 5 and I have minus the square root of 5. So this is my exact answer. And then the problem also asks us to find the approximate answer. So if I were to take 3 plus square root of 5 and divide it by 4 and put that in my calculator, and then take 3 minus the square root of 5 divided by 4 and put it in my calculator, I would get that x is approximately 1.31. Oops. Fix that. 0.31 or 0.19.